Okay, with tech, we help platform team provide API platform to their API developers. So we help customers export, manage, secure their APIs, being internal partner APIs or external APIs. Observability is really important for us at Tech. We know that APIs are the start of a story. When you have a call, then it goes through an API gateway and then go to the different microservices. And very often in the past, we knew that the API teams had a disconnect with the developer team. So they were looking at their observability data, their telemetry data in their tool, in their format, and not having the end-to-end visibility they were needed to proactively monitor the system, troubleshoot the system. That's why for us at Tech, it was really important to provide a native OpenTelemetry integration to make sure that the data we collect at the API level are available to all the different teams that need it. Being a product team that want to understand, is my API being used, what can we improve, what is the developer experience of my API, to the development team that worked with services that the API called, that API calls. So as always with API performance, there's a highly important set of metrics, the red metrics. So it's about the duration an API takes, the error, number of errors you have, and the number of requests. But even with that, we like to go further and provide more visibility into helping our user understand what is going wrong. So if there's a problem, not only what is the problem and that there is an error, but why is there an error? That are all information we export with OpenTelemetry. And those data are available to different teams, like a product team, to analyze the performance of the product, understand if the API is being used, if they're able to deprecate it, if they have multiple versions, which version of that API is the most popular, and to help them in their deprecation policy. Yeah, so platform engineering is a topic that is important for many of us here at KubeCon. We see that kind of team growing, so the goal of platform engineering is to be able to enable developers to be fast, to be able to release quickly. And in the API world, that means being able to provide them the gateway that they need with the right governance, so making sure that when API expose new APIs to their customer, they're not having critical data in there, that the people are really able to use the API and allowed to use the API with different authentication and authorization mechanism. And so with our platform, we make it easy for platform team to build the whole API management platform and make it easier for their developer to release APIs safely and securely in production.